extend my heartfelt congratulations to the entire health team, Joint Director, DPM, and SDM NHOs, all the NHM staff, all the other doctors, all the other health staff and para health staff. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to one and all for the performance that we have given in Kayakalpa. But we must remember that Kayakalpa assessment is not a one-time assessment. Once we achieve a particular level in Kayakalpa, it only increases our responsibilities. It only shows that our delivery of service must be much better than what it used to be before. Akol Kayakalpa price at a poor to sub, Jodi ami service delivery Kaldore Jodi Kolbo Nuare, then it is a failure. But in the last 1 year, 1.5 years, we have already proved that we can literally do the impossible. We can work for 24 hours continuously for many days and still give good results. So I also congratulate the health team in Bongaigaon for the wonderful performance, dedication that all of you have shown towards handling of COVID. In the list of CHCs, we have won the second place. Abhyapli CHC FRU has won the second place with a final score of 93.6. The first place is from Morigaon, final score being 95.9. So we are quite close to the final score in this case. And we have an award money of 10 lakhs for this. Who has come from Abhyapli? Mastermind. Really wonderful. Manipur CHC has also gotten a commendation award with a score of 72.7 and they get so in case of PHCs, some of our 5-6 PHCs have gotten awards. So first prize for our district in case of PHC category is going to Lengthisingha PHC with a score of 85.6% and the prize money of 2 lakhs. Lengthisingha, who is the president? Well done, Doctor.
Best in the state.
In the
our district.
Yes, our PHC is district. And then we have 82.2 score of, even in case of urban PHC with a lot of limitations that we are having in Thaulaguri urban PHC. In the second cluster, that is the cluster which does not include Kamrup Metro. Not
Bongaigaon Civil Hospital, Lengthisingha and Chiponzilla MPSC. Sidhal Sati MP.
You will say so. For Bongaigaon Health, this is a real stepping stone time, and we are getting nothing less than a medical college. যে আমি, isn't it? আমি যে স্বপ্নতে ভাবি আসছিল that we should also get a medical college. Our civil hospital will also get upgraded. So that facility Bongaigaon is now getting. So we are also getting a forensic science laboratory in Bongaigaon. All others, only medical colleges are getting now. Bongaigaon is the only district which is getting it. It not being that all that taken together, this is an important position for us, where Bongaigaon district is in terms of health terms, and this is a very happy occasion. Some recognition for the hard work that everyone has been doing. ইয়াতে আমি সকলোকে তো মাতি লৈ আনিব নোৱাৰেতো. In fact, I know that Kayakalpa assessment our main person is the cleaner. নহয় নেকি? Cleaner মানুহ কেনেকে কৰে? How he does the cleaning? সেইটো they চাব বিচাৰে. So we are only representing everyone else who could not come here today, or who are not able to come on any other stage. So let's be aware of that, and let's be humbled. Let's be humbled by our success. That is what I wish to say. Success ami hoboy lagibo, because that is what we are working hard for. But let's be humbled, and let's dedicate it to the others who have done it, so that as a team we succeed. This is what our guiding principle should be in case of any project that we do. Last 1.5-2 years আমি সদায় কোভিডৰ কথাই কৈ আছিলোঁ. এতিয়া আমি এটা ভাল খবৰ আজি ক'বলৈ পাইছোঁ. আমাৰ বঙাইগাঁও হেল্থ টিমৰ হাৰ্ড ৱৰ্কৰ কাৰণে, টিম এফৰ্টৰ কাৰণে আমি আজি আভেপুৰী CHC তেনেকুৱা কায়াকল্পত ছেকেণ্ড প্লেচ পাইছোঁ. আমাৰ বাকী বেলেগ বেলেগ লোকেশ্যনতো আমি ভাল পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চ কৰিছোঁ. আৰু এক্সপেক্টেশ্যন আমাৰ এইটো আছে, আমি নেক্সট ইয়েৰত এইটো চিলভাৰ গোল্ডলৈ আমি কনভাৰ্ট কৰিম বুলি. আৰু তাৰ লগতে আমাৰ লক্ষ্য আৰু এনকুৱাছ এটা আছেছমেণ্ট আছে. সেই আছেছমেণ্টবিলাকৰ কাৰণে আমি এতিয়া চেষ্টা কৰিম বুলি আমি আশা ৰাখিছোঁ. আচলতে আমাৰ গোটেই হেল্থ টিম, ইনফেক্ট আমাৰ গোটেই বঙাইগাঁওবাসী ৰাইজ সকলোকে মই আন্তৰিকভাৱে অভিনন্দন জ্ঞাপন কৰি আছোঁ আমাৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ এই যে মানে পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চৰ কাৰণে. আভেপুৰী CHC কেটেগৰীত ছেকেণ্ড পাইছে. লেংটিচিংকা MPSC আমাৰ PHC কেটেগৰীত ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাইছে. বাকী মানে চিভিল হস্পিটেল ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট হস্পিটেল আৰু চিভিল হস্পিটেল কেটেগৰীত কমেণ্ডেশ্যন পাইছে. আৰু বাকী 7 মোৰ আছে, গোটেইকেইটা কমেণ্ডেশ্যন পাইছে.